Looking for the perfect stand to elevate your Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra experience? With its stunning display and powerful capabilities, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra deserves a stand that matches its functionality, providing stability, versatility, and style. Whether you're using it for productivity, streaming, or hands-free browsing, a reliable stand can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll explore the best Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stands on the market, breaking down the unique features, build quality, and adaptability of each option to help you find the ideal stand to suit your needs. Number 1. KABCON. The KABCON Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stand is an impressive and versatile tablet holder that brings a lot of functionality to any workspace or home setup. Here's a closer look at what makes it stand out. One of the most appealing features of the KABCON stand is its broad compatibility. The 5.31 to 9-inch retractable clip fits various devices, including the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, iPads up to 13 inches, Kindle Fire, Surface Pro, and even smaller portable monitors. The ability to accommodate tablets with or without cases makes this stand highly flexible and easy to use across different devices without needing to readjust. This stand is built with 5 adjustable joints and a 360-degree gimbal, offering a remarkable range of motion. With angles adjustable from 75 degrees to 270 degrees and a universal rotating head, the KABCON stand allows you to customize your viewing experience. Whether you're sitting, standing, or lying down, this stand can be positioned to meet your needs, making it ideal for activities like reading, watching movies, video calls, and more. Constructed with high-density aluminum alloy, this tablet stand has a sleek, polished look that complements any modern workspace or home decor. The CNC-crafted aluminum frame ensures durability while remaining lightweight, and the metallic finish is resistant to rust and fading. The attention to build quality elevates this stand, making it feel solid and well-constructed for everyday use. The KABCON stand's reinforced arm joints and sturdy construction provide a solid, stable base for your device. Number 2. LISEN. The LISEN Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stand is designed with the modern user in mind, combining portability, stability, and versatility to make it a valuable accessory for any workspace or travel setup. Here's a breakdown of its standout features. One of the biggest selling points of the LISEN stand is its foldable design, which makes it incredibly portable. It folds flat, making it easy to slip into a bag or even a pocket, making it ideal for on-the-go use during business trips or travel. Despite its compact size, it can support devices up to 15.9 inches, offering compatibility with tablets, e-readers, and even some portable monitors, making it a versatile option for remote work setups. LISEN addresses common issues found in earlier generation tablet stands, such as instability and adjustment slippage, with its one-piece design and innovative locking mechanism. The adjustable locking feature allows you to tighten or loosen the joints as needed, ensuring that the stand maintains its stability and doesn't become loose over time. Additionally, the base is heavier and wider, which provides solid support even during intense tablet interactions, like drawing or note-taking. For added stability, LISEN includes a bridge screw adjustment truss rod at the base of the stand. This unique feature prevents wobbling or shaking, even during rigorous typing or if your desk gets bumped. It's clear that LISEN has focused on making this stand as stable as possible for users who want a reliable workspace setup. The inclusion of non-slip silicone on the base also protects your surfaces and keeps the stand firmly in place. This stand offers excellent flexibility with both height and angle adjustments, so you can customize it to fit your preferred viewing position. Number 3. KABCON. The KABCON Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stand combines durability, adjustability, and versatility, making it an excellent option for users looking to enhance their tablet experience. Here's an in-depth look at its features and performance. One of the primary benefits of the KABCON stand is its broad compatibility. Designed to hold devices from 4 to 14 inches, it supports not only the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra but also iPads, Amazon Kindles, and other tablets. This flexibility makes it suitable for multiple devices, whether you're using a larger tablet for work or a smaller one for reading. The KABCON stand offers impressive adjustability thanks to its Allen wrench feature that allows users to set the degree of tightness to their preference. Once tightened, the stand remains firmly in place, eliminating any risk of unwanted movement during use. The adjustable angles support both vertical and horizontal viewing, providing flexibility for activities like reading, video calls, gaming, or typing. The stand is built with a combination of Spaceflight Ulti alloy and high-strength alloy steel, giving it durability and a lightweight feel. These materials make the stand strong enough to hold larger devices without adding too much weight, which is ideal if you plan on frequently adjusting or moving it. While the majority of the stand is aluminum, the clamp is plastic, which may feel less durable but still provides adequate hold for most devices. The KABCON stand offers a smart lifestyle approach, designed to be versatile enough for various activities, from watching movies and gaming to video recording and working. Number 4. Peastrex. The Peastrex Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stand combines a professional, go-anywhere design with durability and versatility, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Here's a detailed look at its features and benefits. Peastrex has designed this stand to excel in stability and strength. Standing at an impressive 73 inches, this tripod is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy with a reinforced steel base, ensuring it remains sturdy and secure even at maximum height. The gooseneck arm, which features a separate aluminum core and 14 mm thickness, can support up to 2 kilograms, making it more than capable of holding larger devices like the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This stability, combined with the solid gooseneck material, prevents unwanted wobbling or slipping, offering complete peace of mind for the safety of your device. Whether you're using it in the living room, bedroom, or at a trade show, the Peastrex tripod is highly versatile. It's suitable for multiple applications, including live streaming, video calls, photography, and even presentations. This wide usability makes it a great choice for content creators and professionals alike, and its outdoor compatibility is a bonus for travel vloggers or those who need a reliable setup on the go. Number 5. KABCON Solid. The KABCON Solid Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stand is a robust, well-built stand that delivers solid support for a wide range of tablets, e-readers, and even some smaller laptops. Here's an in-depth look at what makes this stand a top choice for those seeking stability and versatility. The KABCON stand is compatible with tablets up to 15 inches, making it suitable for larger devices like the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, iPad Pro 12.9-inch, and Microsoft Surface Pro models. It also supports smaller tablets, portable monitors, and e-readers like the Amazon Kindle Fire HD. This broad compatibility is a big plus, especially for users with multiple devices of varying sizes. Built from spaceflight-grade Ulti alloy and high-strength alloy steel, this stand combines lightweight materials with remarkable durability. The aluminum construction also naturally helps keep your devices cool, which is ideal for heavy tasks like gaming or video playback. The stand has a hole in its platform to increase airflow and prevent overheating, which is a thoughtful addition, especially for intensive tablet use. For users prioritizing stability, the KABCON stand offers exceptional reliability. The two metal plate-supported hinges within a plastic shell allow for solid support while remaining easy to adjust. However, some users may find it a bit firm to change angles, which is a reasonable trade-off for stability. In conclusion, choosing the best stand for your Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra depends on your specific needs and usage style. For users who need a stand that's durable and ideal for typing, a sturdy adjustable desktop stand might be best. If portability is a priority, lightweight, foldable options are highly recommended. For creatives and professionals, stands with multiple angles and secure grip support productive workflows and provide a comfortable viewing experience. Whether you're using the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra for work, creative projects, or entertainment, a quality stand can enhance your device's functionality and transform it into a versatile tool.